Trading feed for the second day in a row. Yesterday's hospital expansion news is holding strong and the stock is up another 12% pre-market on continuation. We turn on long mode and the algo takes starter positions on dips to the 9 EMA and adds on the 5-minute breakout. When price fails to make fresh highs, the algo sets a strategic double down at the $0.50, smart level, but this time it doesn't get filled. The algo de-risks for a small profit, then adds back in at 273, then de-risks again as volume starts to stall. 2 small wins, risk managed, no exposure left on the table. Good call on that de-risk. Price sharply flushes back to the $0.50 where this time our strategic double down fills. The algo de-risks for a small win as price bounces back above our cost basis. Price chops around and we're sitting on just 3,000 shares, about 10% of our maximum position size. The algo is not forcing anything. It's waiting for the real move to develop. The 9:30 opening bell is approaching, the most volatile time of the day. The algo de-risks the position heading into the open. Smart risk management, protecting what we've built. Price flushes right back to the $0.50. The algo anticipates the level, doubles down, and builds up to our maximum position size. Quick bounce well above our cost basis. The algo takes some profit off the table immediately, and there it is, the final push into our max profit zone. The software exits the full position. 2,300 in profit over 40 minutes of fully automated trading on a stock we did well on yesterday. Learn more at radertrading.com and try the software yourself for only $1. We publish new trade recaps every day. Subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.